What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a Gemini Jets Fleet by Airline video. This Fleet by Airline video will be Alaska Airlines, as you can see. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Starting off with our first aircraft, which is the Alaska-AQ400. This is a very awesome small prop plane. Alaska has 32 of these in their fleet. They each have a range of 1,100 nautical miles. The length of the aircraft is 107 feet, and the wingspan of the aircraft is 93 feet, with 76 seats on board. So if you owned one of these, this would be a pretty sick private jet. It is a little slower, and it does have a shorter cruising altitude of 25,000 feet, but it'd still be a very nice aircraft. I did pick this up in San Diego at Easy Toys about 3 years ago, and this is a awesome aircraft. The next aircraft is the Alaska Embraer E175, operated by Horizon Airlines. This is a extremely gorgeous aircraft. I'm very glad I got it with the enhanced winglets. Alaska has 62 of these in their fleet with about 75 seats. Some facts about this aircraft is it is one of the largest windows you'll ever see on an aircraft besides the 787. It has a max cruising altitude of 41,000 feet and a wingspan of 94 feet. So it is a pretty decent sized aircraft. I have flown a Embraer E175 before, but it was with United, but it was a very good, awesome experience. So I really do love this aircraft, and I am happy that they have the enhanced winglets mold Gemini Jets does. It's awesome. Next up, we have the gorgeous Alaska 737-700. This is in the old livery, as you can see, with the Eskimo on the back. This is a awesome aircraft, and I picked this up at a air show not that long ago. I think it was about 2 to 3 years ago in Denver. Some facts about this aircraft is Alaska has 11 of them in their fleet with about 130 seats per aircraft. It has a range of almost 3,000 nautical miles and a length of 110 feet with the wingspan of 117 feet. So the wingspan is actually bigger than the length of the aircraft itself, which I found pretty funny. The max cruising speed is 41,000 feet. I'm very happy I was able to pick up this aircraft in the old livery, considering it's pretty rare now. This is just a all-around gorgeous model, and I am so happy to have it in my collection. Next up, we have another Alaska 737-700. I actually just did an unboxing of this aircraft not too long ago. I did pick this up for my mystery airport that I'll be unveiling very shortly. I was very pleased to find this aircraft, considering it's pretty rare. They do have it on the Alaska company store, but it was out of stock when I bought this aircraft. Anyway, I am very happy to have this aircraft in my fleet, and it is a great addition. I just love the colors on the 737 with the winglets, and it's just a all-around awesome model. Next up, we have the Alaska Airbus A320, which looks extremely good on the new livery. I'm not a huge Airbus fan, but this looks awesome on the A320. They did obtain this aircraft from Virgin America, if you were not aware of the merge that happened between Alaska and Virgin America. But Alaska currently has 40 of them in their fleet, and the A320 has a range of 3,200 nautical miles and a wingspan of 111 feet with a length of 123 feet. It does have about 150 seats on board the aircraft, including first class and premium class and main class, so 3 different cabin areas. This is a very gorgeous model, and I am so happy I was able to pick this one up. Starting off on the second row of the gorgeous Alaska aircrafts, we have a Alaska Boeing 737-800. This is in the new livery with the split scimitars, obviously. Alaska does have 61 of these aircrafts in their fleet, with about 157 seats per aircraft. They have a huge wingspan of 118 feet, and a length of the aircraft would be 130 feet. So it's a little bit wider than the wingspan in length. The max cruising altitude is 41,000 feet, and the typical cruising speed is 530 miles per hour. So if you're hauling in the air at 530 miles per hour, you're going to get to your destination fairly quickly. I was actually very pleased with the way that Gemini Jets did this aircraft. I know NG released one, but personally I am very happy with the Gemini Jets one, as the mold for this aircraft is really good, and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. The next one we have is a aircraft that probably most of you don't even know I have in my collection, which is the Alaska 737-800 in the Boeing house livery. I did buy this model quite a while ago at that same air show that I bought the Alaska 737-700. It did come without landing gear, which is pretty unfortunate, so I will have to order some from Gemini Jets as soon as they get back to me, which will probably be never, because they do not have very good customer service. But if I was able to get landing gear for this aircraft, it would look extremely beautiful. I just love the Boeing house colors on any particular aircraft. It's just extremely gorgeous. I'm very happy to have this in my fleet, and hopefully we can add some landing gear to this aircraft very shortly. The next aircraft we have is the gorgeous Alaska 737-900 without winglets. Please note this is not a ER aircraft. Alaska does have 12 non-ER aircrafts, which means it's talking about extended range. So this one does not have the extended range package that the most of their 737-900s do have. But this is a very gorgeous model, and I am very happy to have the chance to have it in my collection. I'll be using this aircraft for my new airport, which should be out very soon. I will do a little reveal thing here on YouTube as well as Instagram. But this is a all-around gorgeous aircraft. I do love it without the winglets. It reminds me of the good old days of the 737-400, which was another awesome aircraft that Alaska brought into their fleet. Starting off with Alaska's fleet of the 737-900ER aircrafts, we have this Alaska 737 in the Honoring Those Who Served livery, which is a dedication to our veterans. Alaska currently has 79 737-900ERs in their aircraft fleet. The 737-900ER has a first class of 16 seats, a premium class of 24 seats, and a coach class of 138 seats. The 737-900ER has a typical cruising speed of 530 miles per hour and a range of almost 3,000 nautical miles. So you could almost fly from Boston to Los Angeles in the 737-900ER. I am very happy to have this aircraft in my fleet, and I am very happy to have this gorgeous livery in my fleet. So moving on to the next aircraft. Next up we have the more to love Boeing 737-900ER. If you are not aware, the more to love livery was formed when Alaska and Virgin America joined together. From the front of the aircraft you can see the Virgin America colors, and from the back you can see the Alaska colors, and they are just merging together to form one purple livery or purple color. So that was what this aircraft was designed to be. This is a very gorgeous aircraft, and I am very happy to have it in my fleet. And I have been told before that this is a very rare aircraft, and I have been offered by many people to take this off my hands, but I have unfortunately said no because this is such a gorgeous aircraft and I would love to keep it in my fleet. That does conclude today's upload of the Alaska Airlines fleet collection. I hope you guys did enjoy the video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel if you are new, and I hope to see you again on another video. I do have a little bit of news that I have received concerning the Hawaii trip. one of our flights was changed, and now I will be flying the 737 MAX 9, and I am very happy to have the opportunity to fly that aircraft. All the other flights have stayed the same, and I am very excited to share my experience of going to Hawaii with you guys. There will be 4 trip reports coming out of that trip, and I'm very happy to show you guys. So anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again on another video. Goodbye.